Hello students, welcome again to my VPS English Club channel. In the first video, we learned about noun and its types. In this video, we are going to learn about pronoun and its types. But before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me by writing in comment section. Let's start the video. Today's topic is about pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. A word which comes instead of noun is called pronoun. There are different kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, pronouns of quantity, reflexive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and relative pronouns. Personal pronouns. I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, and them are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are divided into three persons. First person, I, me, we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they. Personal pronouns are again divided into two types. First, subject pronoun, and second, object pronoun. First, subject pronoun. Subject pronouns I, he, they, etc. are used before words. Example, I saw Sunil, but he didn't see me. In this sentence, I is used as subject pronoun. Now, second, object pronouns. Object pronouns, that is me, him, them, etc. are used after verbs. Example, goodbye children, I'll call you later. In this sentence, you is a object pronoun. Second, possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. The words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are possessive pronouns. Example, the book is mine. In this sentence, mine is used as possessive pronoun. Third, Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used for pointing out things. The words like this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. Example: these are my pets. In this sentence, these is a demonstrative pronoun. Fourth, pronouns of quantity. Words like much, many, little, few, etc. are called pronouns of quantity. Example: there is some bread in the fridge. In this sentence, some is pronoun of quantity. Next, reflexive pronouns. These pronouns are words that refers to noun or pronoun, that is, the subject of the verb. The words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, etc. are reflexive pronouns. Example: have yourselves a good time. In this sentence, yourselves is a reflexive pronoun. Sixth, interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. The words like who, whose, what, which and whom are interrogative pronouns. Example: what does Tom want? In this sentence, the word what is an interrogative pronoun. Seventh, indefinite pronouns. These pronouns does not refer directly to any other words. Most indefinite pronouns expresses the idea of quantity. Example: everybody is welcome at the meeting. In this sentence, everybody is an indefinite pronoun. Now, eighth, relative pronouns. Pronouns like who and which are also used in a different way. At that time, they are called as relative pronouns. Example: this is the girl who helped me yesterday. When who, which, whom, etc. are used in this way, they are called relative pronouns. In this way, we finished our topic of pronouns. Now it's a time for assignment. First, what is the definition of pronoun? Second, describe the types of pronouns with their examples. Thank you for watching the video.